Namaste children. Hi. Let us discuss third lesson in 9th class social studies is hydrosphere. In this session, we are going to discuss about ocean current. What is meant by ocean current? Don't think that the current will be produced in the ocean. That is wrong opinion. Here current means flow. Current means flow. That means the water in the ocean flows like a river. The water in the ocean flows in one direction throughout the year. The water in the ocean moves in one direction throughout the year is called ocean current. So once again, today our topic is ocean current. What is meant by ocean current? You may think that the current are produced. You may think current means power. Powers are produced from ocean, so it is called ocean current. That is wrong opinion, children. Here current means flow. Means the water in the ocean flows in one direction throughout the year is called ocean current. Or water in the ocean moves in one direction throughout the year is called ocean current. Children, now other definition of ocean current is also called general movement of mass of water. General movement of mass of water. When you go to beach, you can see the waves from the sea comes to land, and again the waves from the land return back to sea. That is not a ocean current. When you travel at the middle of the sea, you can see that water in the ocean flows in one direction throughout the year. When you travel at the middle of the sea, you can observe the water in the sea moves in one direction. That is called ocean current. Okay. Ocean current is also called ocean river. Why? Because the water in the ocean flow like a river, so it is called ocean rivers. Based on temperature, ocean currents are classified into two types: warm ocean current, cold ocean current. Based on temperature, ocean currents are classified into two types. What are they? Warm ocean current, cold ocean current. What is warm ocean current? What is warm ocean current? As temperature is high in equatorial region, the water gets heated. The water in the ocean gets heated. Now the water in the ocean becomes warm. Now the warm water in the ocean flow towards poles. The warm water in the ocean flow towards poles from equator. That current is called warm ocean current. What is meant by cold ocean current? As temperature is low, the water in the ocean at pole region will be very cool. Now the water in the ocean from poles, it moves towards the equator region. That is called cold ocean current. Once again, children, what is meant by warm ocean current? As temperature is high, the water in the ocean at equal region becomes hot. Now the water in the ocean becomes warm. Now the warm water in the ocean from equator flow towards poles. That is called warm ocean current. What is meant by cold ocean current? As temperature is low in the polar region, the ocean at polar region also gets cool. The water in the ocean gets cool. This cool ocean water flows from polar region to equator. That is called cold ocean current. So based on temperature, ocean currents classified into two types. One is warm ocean current, other one is cold ocean current. Based on speed, ocean currents are classified into two types. One is stream, other one is drift. One is stream, other one is drift. What is stream? The water in the ocean flows speedily is called stream. The water in the ocean flows speedily is called stream. The water in the ocean flows slowly is called drift. The water in the ocean flows slowly is called drift. So based on speed, ocean currents are classified into two types. They are stream and drift. What are the factors that cause ocean current? What are the factors that cause ocean current? Means what are the factors that cause to move the water in the ocean from one place to other place? What are the reasons are there? What are the causes are there? What are the factors contribute to make the ocean water to move in one direction? There are 4 factors are there as per textbook writer. Centrifugal force, effects of wind, precipitation and solar energy. Centrifugal force, effects of wind, precipitation and solar energy. Salinity, density difference, melting of ice. These are the factors cause ocean current. Due to these factors, the water in the ocean moves in one direction throughout the year. Due to these factors, the water in the ocean flows like a river. Let me discuss the factors cause ocean current one by one. First, centrifugal force is the first factor causing ocean current. What is centrifugal force? As all we know, the earth rotates on one axis and revolves around the sun. The earth rotates on its own axis and revolves around the sun. At that time, a force was produced on the equatorial region. A force was produced at the equatorial region. That force is called centrifugal force. This centrifugal force is very higher, greater than the polar region. Due to this centrifugal force makes the water in the equatorial region flow towards the poles. This centrifugal force makes the water in the ocean from equator to north. At the same time, it moves the water from equator to south. Once again, children, centrifugal force is a factor that causes ocean current. What is centrifugal force? See now, as Earth rotates on its own axis and revolves around the sun, a centrifugal force is formed at the equatorial region. This centrifugal force is very higher, greater than the polar region. This centrifugal force, which is formed at the equatorial region, makes the water in the ocean to flow from equator to north pole or from equator to south pole. As a result, the water in the ocean flows towards from equator to north pole or from equator to south pole. Now next is effects of wind. Due to wind movement, due to wind stress, the water in the ocean moves in one direction. Due to wind movement, the water in the ocean flows like a river. For example, if the wind blows 50 miles per hour in the ocean, if the wind blows 50 miles per hour speed, then the water in the ocean flows at the velocity of 0.75 miles per hour. As a result, the water in the ocean moves from equator to north pole or from equator to south pole. Once again, children, effects of wind. When the wind blows at the speed of 50 miles per hour, it moves the water in the ocean from equator to north pole or from equator to south pole at the velocity of 0.75 miles per hour. Next is precipitation. When rainfall is higher, as all we know that rainfall is higher, rainfall occurs heavily in the equatorial region. In 7th class, 6th class we studied the rainfall occurs heavily in the region. When rainfall occurs heavily on the equatorial region, the water in the ocean rises. The water in the ocean rises. The sea level rises. As sea level rises, as a result, the water in the ocean moves from equator to north pole or from equator to south pole. Once again, children, as all we know, the rainfall occurs very heavily in the equator region at the time sea level rises. When sea level rises, as a result, the water flows from equator to north pole or from equator to south pole. Now, solar energy. As all we know, the sun rays falls directly on equatorial region, so temperature is high. When temperature is high, the ocean water gets hot and ocean water becomes warm. Now ocean water becomes warm, the warm water in the ocean gets hot and warm. After water in the ocean gets hot and warm, the hot water expands. The warm water in the ocean expands. up to 8 centimeter, up to 8 centimeter. Then the pole world region, when the water expands at 8 centimeter higher level, now the water from the equator region move towards North Pole, water from the equator region move towards South Pole. Again children, okay, as sun rays pass directly on equal region, temperature is high. When temperature is high, the water in the ocean at equal region gets hot and warm. When water in the ocean at equal region gets hot and warm, now the water becomes warm and hot in the equal region. When the water becomes warm and hot in the equal region, it expands. The hot water expands in the equal region. The warm water expands in the equal region. When the warm water expands in the equal region at 8 centimeter level, then the pole region, as a result, the water in the ocean flow from equal region to North Pole or from equal region to South Pole. In addition to that, salinity, density differences, melting of ice, also the factors causing ocean currents. So these are the factors: centripetal force, effects of wind, precipitation, solar energy, salinity, density difference, melting of ice. These are the factors cause the water in the ocean flow like a river. These are the causes, these are the factors that cause water in the ocean moves in one direction throughout the year. These are the causes makes the water in the ocean moves from equal region to polar region or from polar region to equatorial region. Children, I hope you understand this concept very clearly. Keep watching these videos by keeping the textbook in front of you so that you can understand very much better. If not, we'll teach you this lesson in the classroom session detailedly. There we clarify your doubts. Thank you, children.